Hey, go hi lovers. In this video, we will be discussing about Pipedrive. We are on the agency level right now. We have to find for the app marketplace from here and search for Pipedrive. Here it is. Let's install from here. It's up to you. You want to install it on any of your specific sub account. You can choose multiple sub accounts or you can choose them all. If you choose them all, it will be giving you the option to enable automatic feature installation as well. But right now, we will be just using our specific sub account that is Mombasa test. Continue with that. Allow and install. You can see it is successfully installed. Now moving back towards our agency level. From there we will be heading towards our sub account installation from here as well. Here we are in our sub account level now, and we have to find for the app configuration to just configure our Pipedrive into our GHL account. From there you can find for the app configuration in the navigation bar and find for Pipedrive from here. Here it is, configure. Here is what we have to need, the API key. To do that, so we have to just set up our account, and in the settings you can find for the personal preferences, and from there you can find for the API key. Let me show you how to do that. Here we are in our Pipedrive account, and as you can see, I have already created the account and we are in the settings in the personal preferences. I have found this from here, and in here you can find with the API key, copy with that and paste it back there in your account. After copy pasting, you can just submit, and as you can see, it is successfully configured now. Let's move forward towards the automations to create a workflow and to check on what value is being provided by Pipedrive. You can find for the automation from here and create a workflow, start from scratch. Here we are in our workflow builder. Let's just create a new action and find for Pipedrive. These are plenty of actions that you can use into your automations, create your own automations. You can use these. There are a lot of them, and you can have endless possibilities with these. It's up to you. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.